Hello world! Hello netizens! It's me, Joshua Domen, your resident Pambansang IT guy, here to deliver another day of tech learning only here on Tech Talks with Pambansang IT guy. As the pandemic transitioned us to hold classes and meetings online, I am sure we do not want the meeting or class turn into a slumber party. To minimize the students or participants dozing off in your discussion, I have prepared here some apps available online so you can turn your meeting or class into something more engaging, more interactive, and super fun. First, we have forms where you can make surveys or quizzes or registration forms where your participants can answer. If you are tired of the usual Google Forms and Microsoft Forms, we have other forms available in the online market like WP Forms, Formidable Forms, Zoho Forms, 123 Form Builder, Typeform, and Cognito Forms, among others. Remember that there are a lot of extensions in Chrome for your Google Forms, like to make math equations or setting a submission deadline to incorporate in your forms. In case you want to learn an in-depth discussion in using Google Forms, you can head to one of my videos as I have a specific tutorial for Google Forms alone. In case you want to do an anonymous polling for your participants, where you can see a live graphic of live answers without the names of those who answered, you can head to Mentimeter or AHA Slides. There are a lot of popular question types that you can do here, just like multiple choice, word cloud, open-ended questions. We can also do scales or perhaps ranking, and there's also a Q&A. Speaking of quizzes, the top two online live quizzes we have are Kahoot and Quizzies. Kahoot is a game-based learning platform used as educational technology in schools and other educational institutions. Its learning games Kahoots are user-generated multiple-choice quizzes that can be accessed via a web browser or the Kahoot app. Kahoot can be used to review students' knowledge, for formative assessment, or as a break from traditional classroom activities. Kahoot also includes trivia quizzes. Kahoot was designed for social learning with learners gathered around a common screen, such as an interactive whiteboard, projector, or a computer monitor. The site can also be used through screen sharing tools such as Skype or Google Hangouts. The game design is such that the players are required to frequently look up from their devices. The gameplay is simple. All players connect using a generated game pin shown on the common screen and use a device to answer questions created by a teacher, business leader, or other person. Quizzies is an Indian creativity software company headquartered in Bengaluru, India, that creates and sells a gamified student engagement platform. The software is used in class, group assignments, pre-test review, formative assessments, and pop quizzes online. Crowd Buzzer helps you draw a crowd and create buzz by producing custom content and helping you present the content in a variety of formats. Crowdbuzzer is ideal for participants in groups or in teams, so whoever buzzes the button first will be given the chance to answer first. The chronological list of player is displayed so that the faster you buzz, the more you will place first. If you have a group reporting or oral recitation in class and you want to make it fair and square on who'll go first, then you can do so through randomizers that randomly generates and picks a number or an option from a given list. You can try Wheel of Names, random.org, or even Google has its own random number generator. You just have to type it in the Google search bar. We also have other tools and apps that can help you in your meetings and classes. If you want to do some infographics or graphs and charts but do not know Photoshop or Illustrator yet, you can go to Canva, Trello, and Pictochart. If you want to create ebooks that are interactive, where playable multimedia may be embedded and your readers can answer quizzes thereafter, you can install Kotobi. If you are tired, I wish not, of talking, or you want to rest and take a break from speaking, and you want the machine to speak and dictate the texts of your lessons, then you can do so by trying Labsy's Speech Central application. If you want to screen record your discussion, you can try Bandicam, Audacity, Screencast-O-Matic, or if you're a Windows user, then hitting Windows key plus G might help you. If you want to stream and or record your proceedings of your discussions, you may use OBS, StreamYard, and Streamlabs. I have specific discussions from these three applications in my channel. You may check it out. Lastly, if you don't want to send out hyperlinks that are too long and a pain in the eyes, you may shorten them and customize it by going to tiny.cc, bit.ly, or shorturl.at. You can even make QR codes there so that you send QR codes to your participants instead of long URLs.
And there you have it, netizens. If you find this video informative, please hit the like button and share to others who need this the most. Please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.